mesira sa tuni nti bi na ma ne dia
ye jango pon to mi bro to mi ni aso da wase ye kan ya mi mu nyame ne ewura no mu ewurade a wodi sa nyango pon bo so ne asase ani mo nyam na ye yie nko an de mo ewurade of awudi de mo bro hunu so nko a o twa ya no yeso sa kan ye de so an ka odi bebre mi nyango pon bebre ya de me kan sa abete na pia bonti hunu se ewie mate ya awia ekuku fi na bue ba be who say yes so man have ban who na the chair that be can the chair for crofo be wa sama do mo nya sa ha ni bia hwe so abre crofo bia wu go na kamram bi se friji la packet bi se coast office ya ye be yo magu amram ya kan na tia gom so ma se ya ko amram krom wa do boy abi hu wo ha no e hu sa wo dia fra tiasefo na de kan se wo de fra wo dia fra tiasefo no oba ma wuo no yasi abra obra ibubi no am ye tiase na bi de awuo ya da nsuo bi ye koma wusi won ta bi dware ye ana bi no de awuo bi de tiase atom ni tra na tiase no ro de botaye wo elu ti le na yumre bi tiase ro ade se ba ya be srow be da koma kai da posam poyewi obi a o kemo yumre bi a tombe keso so ro ade o tiki semu wi a mani nyone na kira nkwa wan tro ya sha mono bra se de odno apa ankoto mani hu ko bade ebi no man hu semu bi antin semu ebi so ti man hu Jesus no mu die wu tabre sa ko fo nyina ko mani hu ko ma ya fo nyan sa o ro de se de Moses bo boy sa bade mani hu ne na do aka bo de nyan sa ko man so boy ya bi ne bo me so ma himfo ehunu o mo na aka so bo ba bi wo firi wiase akọ se de bi no mawuo no mo mfa o mo ye nyansa koma ma ministers president mo bi bia o tiame du no wa bro ti ma me tiame du no Ghana countries ahodo yo bu tiame wa de sraw mo bi bia na hunu ne na do aka so de Moses kana sam nanti no no wanyanyansa akoma hunu sa ka tsere ne ewu a ya num wi biem ya hunu ya na da sa ka wat pe aka jase guy am ya ewu a aware sam am fen ko to ma ne hunu jem ba mi ato to ya kwan yi hunu sa ka ya na ka na se 30 minutes about 24 hours am ya ewu a apata se ye be jam wode yemuru yenna do akanki na bitia ko hwemu no so na be sraw wode ma yede mra ya hoso ade ma ni mra ya hoso nipa mobo tonton ma ko pa ti bi kani pa ton ba so on sori mi yede politin ba gesa fo mem pro yede nipa wura fo anu pro nipa awurade ba ye hunu ya sabre wate ye mfa nyanso ya brabom srabate o ke papa o ke me ewade nkofo tiemi radio so nyina mesrawo ebra so se di padane ti o mo kanko fe ne biti ho bo gaman fe ne biti o temperature ho fe ne biti o sikitu ebe ne fe ne bi so to peska o manya brisi ka wa fe no bo nya bre ka ma o ka ode me da wase ni me so wa tiemi na mo ka wo so din amen. The spirit of Judas. Somebody who may rule as a back and is a home and become was much. Judas home. Matthew chapter 26, verse 14. Just some of them can be. And I do me a little back home. Our friend Judas Iscariot. A course of one penny chain, penny fallen chain. Do me a little back home. The chosen selected ones. Esuafo no Yesu obotelling us ewiane amatu ekoban omu baako na nkoye obi ase de oni Yesu didie de odi communion o tia so mo so de mo o fa no so odi communion so obi aya akawo ene dumi enu baako offering Judas Iscariot a call as of one penny. Then could be come Yesu, okay, as of one. You are saying, yo, send Crawford be the boy Yesu who talk, see the Kuna. Can as of one penny for? Let me do my one. You bring Lady work on your band, maybe part you might get no. Woman who has already on the moon. Baby, the pussy has already been saying, as of will be different. Because we are going to send me as of will be here. I am calling send me a cost of my green. Woman who can be a peer back will be changed as a soft pain. Where was your soft? Cohen will be here. Cohen, my uncle, or no young contempt, I am coming. Think I saw for penny for Judas Iscariot, or the years who got off from penny for check, or Cohen, or Cohen Piebon. And I saw a Cohen meeting, and I'm Shamoon or Moquay. Here, was in verse 15. Judas, a sorry penny for him back home. Or the years a cock, I saw from penny for being chained, and penny for be a soft for, yes, you cassette here when you may be for a sea for. Deep money could come to the ground and say, hallelujah, praise God. On the prayer, papa. The black will never the deep for truthful picture of a truth will be after the ever. Would you be a false prophet here? Talk to him. Where a false prophetess here, talk to her. Come on, brother, son. When you be who assistant Kanabani, you are something here. Mamen ko Timothy kwa mention wa de bi ho. Judas Iscariot or the Yesu kwa so from benefo bi ani. Okoyina ma am ye kuno. Ya ro ho sempa. Yesu fo bi ana nyame adwuma o. Ebi gu nyame adwuma. Okay. We are so far have to be very careful. Ya se mi 2 Timothy chapter 3 verse 8. Was na sabe yame ene yamre. Ene Moses di asie no. Moses kanyam sam kan kore tudwa. Bia ne yama so kire. Nyankopon no kwafo ne somafo no kwafo ba ko. Wo yi no Nyankopon no di ne ho adanse se. Moses asem so bia ne ho bele ne ho asese sabe ma. Na amanfo bi solitia no. Unhunu bonia. Moses ya ye wo mo. Unhunu bonia. Sada juma no tio. Na nkrofobia wa Israel fo no mu amu bi. Ya e from Israel from panyimfo. Na nyanwanwa. Oja se. Enyanwanwa se number chapter 16. Na gopo bi asasim e ka ho nyina go. Ko ro ne ya bi na ni do tasefo. Obebre papa. O se enyame adwuma se kasa tiem na me. Nkrofo konkon wa yi wo. Ya ka tra so fo bia mo manya bo mo so. The Bible said, touch not my anointed, and do my prophets no harm. So also be Yankupon Nipano Kremo, don't talk against him. When I make catch a mono, don't pass out to push your phone in Anno, Muyan no mea, but I'm causing the tears for Concronatan. I'm causing Cassantiamo. Who may be the Mabushamo and Nipantiasi? Dear, was it a Sadia Yane and a Yamre? 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 8. Sadia Yane and a Yamre. Ade mo se diasie no saa ne ye no nso ade no kore no diasie wo be ba ha be bie no kore no tudwa obi so be ba ha be sai no saa no me no kore no diasie Judas ade Yesu e kwa asofo bi animo yesa asofo ne ko mo Yesu aba Yesu ato na dwuma so obu koku no asofo e boko bone e pe Nyankopon ni pe bi agire fio bo mo bo papa bo wiye awiye ya Damon crab or you don't know madam. Namonia way in a move. Because whom come to young company pakron and Pahuni da. Judas never come once a natural. Such a fool your done a dino, who in a year. Sabro double something. That go Acts chapter 1, verse 16 down, Peter Betchel. Okay, we are there, be very careful. Was all your only part? Woman just said, 2 Timothy chapter 3, verse 8. Was this uncle for no credible? And you are so for conclude, dear series, man. The dear so for conclude them or Cassas a premium never. I didn't be a matter home or to the home. was only power not just say one fra e wo gidie fam nanso one call manim PBR was no Jimmy ebedadi nipa nyina anim sade wo mo de no so eyo no 2 Timothy 3 verse 8 to 9 I'm thinking ahead ti asofo epe Yesu akuna Judas edi Yesu akoma sa asofo wim sa asofo nkum Yesu oba wie ye beba na sabe koma nyampo gubu nsamti umpu Yesu mfa hunni asema mba be kanon ti asem yi ti mo anyankopon kofo bi ye nyame adwuma no kurem obi promote gospel no bi so tincha kan sem hunu edi tiam kuna ni masi ebu na bam me da me ka ti go utia be bo no abusia wa ntia awie ye ne be ba na be ka se ka kire ono amfa be very careful ultimi mo nyame nkofo no a don't talk against them ya kasa ti nkofo mo ye ne fon mo ti boni tutu for the receive for so for ya kasa tia wo mo ya kasa tia nyame asofo akoko kasa mi on san kan ya masra no Matthew 26 verse 14 ma me san repeat and do me no mu ba ko wo frɛ me Judas Iscariot e kwa asofo mpanimfo no nkyɛn sofo panin so pe Yesu ko sa adiai ana mo ba ma me na mayi no masɛm nsa Judas ipe bibi ni wagina so de Yesu ama Judas ipe bibi ni wagina so de Yesu ama die oso no kare nyu tabena biasa e de man na efiri ya no so o hwe ase de obenya kwai ayi na ma efiri ya no so o hwe ase de obenya kwai ayi na ma verse 24 we kire wade bi verse 24 o se na Yesu enso bie na no o se no onipa ba no ni Yesu hu bie ekoso secret ni na o onipa ba ne ko se de wo kire wo ne ho no de na so onipa obeyi onipa ba na ma no onue sawangu sa onipa no a wapu Yesu no a ekeye ma no nti sa wapu Yesu abrabo mu a Yesu hu sa hu ni mfaso enka wangu sa onipa na mawiase a enka eye ma no ti o sa hu chenti bebre pu Yesu Judas minim ni problem o anka sa o pesi kan dia koye ti de ban tru sa e wa sa be ton Yesu na me di yeska na me dia koye na japade ni mpuntudu ampa o fa sa plan we no ano ne asofo mpanimfo bi am kuta honhom e ko fa sa plan se mo manska me na me ne ya fine very careful me na me ne ya fine na men tono mamo je bu na mo manska pa no mo kai mi tebena o mo kai mi tebena o aduasa 30 pieces of silver kai ma papa ska we do ko hin ya sama no kan yo sawo se wa ho kire nti hwe du mi no mu ba ko na se wo ya sore ba wo Kristo e be ka ni di wure ni fi aso dem asa na mesia bonten why wa dwene nyina sa wo ho kire nti dia to nti wo ba pu Yesu o se Matthew 26 verse 24 Yesu ka so put the other pole as was so we ya wa ma wi asin pankai ni be wi ama kire odi nti ama Yesu ka so rejection of Jesus leads to hellfire. So say what you didn't keep over pu Yesu ma me pesa me catch up pressure you are going to hellfire. The Bible will render useless. Was one ma wi asin pa kaye. So you have to reason. She can't do Judas ya dey sit all. She can be brave with compassionless. The Bible tells us that omitimi disika be dia so ni sika kan o so. O mu ade a Yankopon fie na wia ne ma me bo a. O mo bo papa wo no asefo. Ya sam ni yo. Asori ya poni so na fa koto. Ha, Ewade. Obi si ahokire ntitie. Na sam mama nsanyina ati asese. Matthew chapter 24 verse 12 to 14. Yesu kan pin. Sabe, amanfo egu asori dem yo ya sa. O se bire bi metro, ahokire be pade mumuwi abe doso. Amumuwi abe doso. Office, o ko pa yuma ya. Managing director na say boss o te wo say. Ma me no mo adwa ma me mfawo. Ensa na mo adwuma na ye. this is for me a boss I could be brave. And we have to some new office also. Call him vehicle. But I mean, Metacao, I in fear of what side, and the movie I said, I bought some and we not do some new wood in fee. Call Parliament House, the corruption you are. Not this is ne Sadamo, regional ministers ne, and paying for, and before, minus some Sadam. Muko bua contact a shady Manyanko one day. Jasamio, Sir Jabin and Cobber Yasin will be a Manisika so call. Would you not be any? What the term would tell you was so far serious. No, who am I will tell you in area. A term time was answered. I could not tell you, I could not tell you some jelly. They said, what does some so far? So, via Manisika, boom of 4 fast. When you saw a sorry, I'm sorry. It was not a car we used to. One cigar toy. Trasamio, and we have also almost every part of the country corruption. What about ha? Assassino, and now Jayo, I'm telling you, and the near me woman in I, and Mera Fonco from Mabum Ranche. Near me woman in I, assassin, and you are the president to me. And your minister here. Yasemi. They said you see you soon. Who could you be an impact? Whether you go to church, we are elder, we are deacon, we are sophomore. Why are you a bravo fashion? And they said you will brabona will say Ponia or face judgment seat for you. And we are torso. Are you fear a caution? Offices, I don't know, bribes. Katasi sha, koso. Ko secondary school sumu ko fe. The secondary school teachers ni bi. Any SHS for girls ni bi nyimu yintumu ya. Go there and ask. Just some people say, just go there and ask. Ha, ti ko for to no nyima to ye no. O sin tiasase da ho giant ni wura. Kumura toso, ko so ni mukora. O esa sofo no obi yire nyam. Ko so ni mukora. O esa so ni panyi na ojira puppet kanyam sam. Wa bore ira pom na piti. Kind of people. Ni pa ko bai ni pa don bai ni ehu omu wi ase de sa. Amuya toso every part go hospitals go corrupt. So nurse 40 on the B. And confirm 5 years and go. I'm a nurse for be 2 years and 2. Kubusa private hospitals in you. Did the people who be the hospitals no? And the doctors living these steps and come on now. I just said this all. One born at home, woman shall acquire bribes. And a poor. And how the culture, the certificate you could tell you fake when your papa. Pani also the one you packed, not your one in jail. Ipanewu, and it's my so simple. Now, God knows, say, when you are kuno, when you can be Mikaka, we shall fall upon Pomucho. We be take a come over this year. What Katam so simple. Nipania question, years back, but you have a judgment, you have a questions to answer before the judgment seat. Ha! We will also get to Asia. So, Jacob, take your colony. You will be a woman, will be a woman for them. Woman, will Jiran woman also have who fat things and will be a human trap. Will be other one who is on Nasan Kongman or Torah. Somebody to be rather. You put your good trying to be a good job. Grab your country. God is very serious these days. Yankupoma took to phobia with jam. Only Obia for the Maniago. Then you put the Wako, the Kataturia, what Tayo, what Pesamo, praise God. You really to my beard over for. We are also every part of the country, every part of the world, sin, corruption, all over. So I see what I'm about to do. Maybe I am part of my can radio so chairman sir. I would have come for us in Colombia who one. The old Johnny, who never yet. The old didn't come Casatiano, also who never yet. Your second quotum, won't be a bicycle, also who never yet. Bema Cabrani or none as you are Bassett, or Catherine Asset, also the who never yet. What did my father say? Will be a who. You are 70 years. Matthew 24, verse 12 to 14 was here. And when you have been gossiping everywhere, and we have phone put to Muslim. Or in toss, and as I do not be clear, you know, I know the crack, or the nipati, Nipamo Jacobus. Will be always will be sitting. But this was the Kodabosom, near Kum and Trias a form. I saw for Sia dying, so for being more, or you for me, also Kum Nipabia, and as well Kum and Tibia have form. That can't check. Just why? Contract as a book of it will be at the taxi sapphire. There are some of you. They tell the Mumana Kobu. Will be at the taxi sapphire. That's the idea of Uchi and Wood. Engineer Uchi and Wood discount. 2 sales. The moon we are 1 million, not the 20 Ghana. A comma Karura. Not 80 Ghana and the Sobutu. We are going to conform. We are. Yeah, we be deal simple, young child, we be child, but there's a spiritual special eye searching every part. Ha, Masa. The ocean will be a who. Rade. Bema Cabrane only pieces here, action plan. Bema Cobrani passed the name, only pieces Abaya, equal P4. Utimo so fun. Bumuya doso everywhere. The Jesus said, you obey to make dinner no cream, obey to make dinner conclude my control yan, or no vegetable. The bonnet coso, and mania coso, we are saying, as the Bible said, can't trust us, so to make dinner, a how no pap, so to make dinner control your vegetable. Judas and Tina. With this country, 2 years. What this guy they call? Sikana ya bekaya ko. So tell me the 1 Ghana to show pono ya. Tell me the American church I don't know where you are yo. Obade dia obe yire no wona baba bia man na wo sebre sen. Upo hudia. Es when you be susu man kasa ko hisan no ka wonye bi. Oba so tese no sa no so be ma asusu no no so to tese. Sa ho trenti oso ba puye so ba bere jeniye ha me ko no Luke chapter 13 Luke asempa ti du miensa ha me ko no papa fo ne ma me fo yeti ni pan jeniye yeti ni pan o so ba ya ni ya top pan no ya pai mu ni de ko sua hyem san we cho kama ye twati esi wani se no ko wo mo ko papa na abrochima mu kwa wo fa ne fofofo wo pempuntu bi abrabo mu a wo fa ne fofofo wo se wo pe gold e wa asase ase akọ ayi obo ase ko busa galamsefo bra o mu bra nsa no manya gold and to get to heaven no eye tin di pa no ne ye kire na me ti da me ton ho asebo Christ yes you have Luke chapter 13 verse 24 was in o capture o mo say mo pray strive fight again na ko so no ho tire as was a force yourself me wani weta so mo pray so ni protect you wo ye kire wo ye boto bojo heaven yes am be jaji o e be tire so be wura ye ka say pray so then wa go who to say Christo ni akomte di boss me kwa sorry obi kasa tia di kakra bi a wonti ma ja sorry wo ye normal dia obi wo ka wo ye obi bi se wa fa afro ka wo kokumasi anan kan na ka nu no obi ahwe sumu na go ka tira driver ni se driver me kon kan me so obi ahwe basum enti munsi mi won se won bra wo kon kan wo so obi wa ka sa tia me wa ka nu enti mesi si ko so wouldn't you tire to the conqueror? Are you a purposeful person in life? so pe heaven ako o se mumpe enhene ho force yourself there sha papa enyemra heaven call Matthew 11 verse 12 o se firi Yohane suboni peso bepem nne o se se nyankopon hene ni breso na obo mani abere de ne den na fa jawo ho be ma brante wo twempana wo tia so ko sa twempana be catch them so per heaven yakọ you are not serious life oh you are called you was have pay heaven ya sama no kan yo wo temo so mo sa per heaven yakọ yeah tie also wo so bi pe gold was asia gold na wo perinti o sofa enso anam say wo butaye bi so person onye gold ninti brebe ba wo fa bunyina wo mfa ho ebi kokwa ko wutu asase na so o pe gold ninti brebe na wo brebe wo mfa ho wo kasa ma tu fo sama bin sama wa wai enti meja tu wo brebe wo pe heaven yakọ sa kronkron wo mai kronkron no wunti bi mfa wiase be bia toto wo pe kwakọ na bete munyo bibikitwa bi to a ukuru hwi wa sumunti o si asọrọ no wagyan uti fie ni ukuna yaka o mo bo papa wo pe heaven yakọ na ka wo sa wo se wo kire nti wo be ku Yesu a se de Judas ye no a ejem na wo kọ the life is a war, it's a battle. Yesu kontie wanfa $20 million ango gu Unibank so obi sakra yenyi $1 mano o ja sama yakana se Yesu kono wanfa 20 million Ghana cedis emu Ghana commercial bank so obi sakra asofo yenko yi 2 million famano o ja sama yakana se die wase mo hu be hia mo wi ase ade na so medi wi aso nkodi John chapter 16 mo hu be hia mo it takes those who are determined in life to get to heaven and heaven is one who go to him so it takes the wise person to take the right decision. Lazarus was seen a dream for or disikani fee so both dream for sign say me disikani 20 million 1 million 10 million 500 Ghana cedis na makotobo nsam jem de mi nyini yo metra me kom na magotu Lazarus we kaso kama tafu ni kum na wa ya taso o se me e de ewu be ba kaka ewu nya be fa de wotre ni ko se ba abofo ne be so me akọ mama he ko na makom no nti on akoya woto o do akoya woto wa pu Yesu na o sisi kanti yo tutu yo super power no mu wiase u ko jem o wiye Israel member so one sakra pra baby odu ani atran you are heading towards fire you dey can count am what you say na uduru wa go ka so obi na eye wo you say me Paul kachre David for Acts chapter 14 verse 19 to 22 was there me Paul ameka kachre ya bume am yes am my say dey yawu na me mo kasa tie ne mama huru pi mu na kopiu nyankopon hidi Judas amane ba aye no wantima nyina o se Jesus to Yesu kan Jesus pu Yesu bia ne problem woni se be so o pu ya no ko se nko ko sika na o de pu Yesu no wantima am fact say just one person and to ice water tempo emu na num se me no o be tu ni nyina du ho papa be reject sika ni nyina one day ade no ni to so pu Yesu no abosom drop Yesu you are going to reject all those things one day the person be kasa chi o so nyansani what do maybe awoko si serious dai me kasa you are the most richest person in the world now you go to bo nsam jemu what is the sense in it when you know you have a common sense sit down and reason 99.9 FM that's me Yesu mfikanza asemu ho sa oba ema obi no nkonkron no dijai odi asubie ka uta sama kana se ba mun na mon sore demo o de wo mpa brabo papa bia bo mpe heaven se wo krona ibikitua bia o because we be pan no di enti we nya pan no ndia o be miracles to anhunu se kire ne a you tend to go back o mo bo papa bia bom tim posa heaven on beko ya se mi Maybe you now call a dynamic person in churches. Now what Simon Rade and let us say you are somebody you Judas it took you no back. That means Judas said Kenyam Sam. Oh Luke chapter 10 verse 17 down. Omo by you so me no sound the energy about the car say Rade udinti awomoni mpo. Abomu asama. Judas was one of the 72. He was once a vibrant Christian. Who was singing with the Nisikanti of Yesu. Papa or more papa. Nti portrait farm out home. Young in the Santi was on pay Yesu a child. To port and cocoa, who don't cocoa sing and go from bois. Let me hear. Young Pomani pay a radi uni pomabo. Lay any flam as a dear Beno. Dear, God, the baby, no permit telephone numbers. Who person friend evangelist Paul Lewia live? Ubenyami 024 117 1896. There's a pumping and something between these days. 024 117 1896. The number, personal number, Ufra Ubenyami live. Nipe kuji, nipe kosofa, buta. Na nipa sa nam edwaman kromo de medie ana me sum Yesu ame ho betere me na papa wan sum no ho betere secret wo ni say ba sum no na ho akere wo no akọ heaven no ni se nyansa wo mo ese se wo be pu Yesu na se la ho tira ta se wo Yesu de oboa Adam person Yankopon do me Adam o se wo enam se watie wo yire ne ensam a wo yire keka no Utu say wodi akira e de ukoburu nsam dim wo say me yire na akanti wodi akiri na wapu Yankopon ato de wo yire ye nti wo say Yankopon wo nsum no biem de wo yire ye wo nti wo supa ya pu Yankopon ama nen wa tiatra say wo be tiatra oba de ukoburu nsam dim papa transibiem wa le fa de fofo Yankopon say Adam Genesis 3:17 Adam so tie wo yire ne na de me ka se enye na wo ye ye bu sa se me yire na ma me yesa me yire na ma me yesa wani abere sa pa he me akode ana bu nsam je mo na wo ya wo ya wo bo ambo sa wa tie wo yire ne no wadi dua me sha wo se enni bia nti wo nti wa do me asase de wadi mu fifire mu na be didi ko si so be kwa asase mu ena me kire wo wi ye wate Adam says assassin nam you free president assassin nam you free na him for ohene assassin nam you free de bro ho so be so wurade panyin fo mo tie me assassin nam you free form ha do tie we be na me ka kire me o do person hu sa wo ye note a ma the whole day da bu ni nyare na to mo to mu mpompan de bia fe bo so wo body mu pro wo so ni pa bia ne pro you are somebody who can do. At the end of power, who are no you see, there is a scent within you. Pumpa be moved. Sabe, Manusi Somunamo. William Framet free move up on time. Any toilet free move up on time in our papa and your papa. And Kaya, and you better than Sidayamano, Nanki Yakoni in a gum, near Jeremuni. Yamiko for Yanko for the Adibi say, Papa, would you Pelbiana? You're very interested. Mame, we need to be a young friend to so. Ebe pro nako. Enti da biara da se ye dware aye dware e na ebi nkusra ni padua ya. Enka nipa kos o de yonko wo sa o yonko ho a. Ko bo sa wo smell o pro straight away. Wadi misro hu nipa bobo wati. Wati. Na nipa tiri ye kase. Na nipa tiri ye kase. Ni ya dware was that not them you free and you are going back to the soil? Yakwasi yakore. Yangopa ma yemfuru nyansa me bia meka. Obo de se ya atoto abonten, atoto nkwanchan. Tika president wu twemu a, to wawie ya. Minister wu twemu a, to wawie ya. Mr DJ wu twemu a, to wawie ya. Abraka de wa tro to sister. Why you ho sa bodam ni bi. Asa don kalism bi. Asa de eka bebrebe wo mfa ho. Asa wo de mfa ho. Wo de wu. Ko hempo fo wie ya e kwanche ho asu biansa oba product yadam o kasiye nyina no e tro sebere no krat e tro wi Ubekolo team. Yasami. No when you fifri, now be some dia kolo team. The papa pesa me mount say, dia say am. A peaceful land, this one. God, Yamia Johnny Assassin, Tino so basis will be giving out trouble. Jehovah witnesses for say, Sasu Beka, Obo Mobo Papa. JW for. You better cross or Yakofa Solomiti. They can't play their training. Sasu Bekin. To the Kohoko Solomon Church on that down say. Dear, Obeka and Sasu and Yamaka down. Un pentos for being non pedali in Sierra. Second Peter chapter 3 was also near Sasu, or that's some work on the Siam, Uja, Ama Uja, Medipa Muyo for Sayada. Now to Siba was a rather than the passage will be for bar, and also the Kukubetamako, the Riasin Fitias, the Ebesia say, as a son as I say, Ebesse, a Munia Abesse, na Ebesse, and Tia Train, who called the 30 was Second Peter chapter 3 verse 13, the 40 was in TNT a train close for, and yes, I say for. Ya killing ya the appetiting, ya the go something, ya the miniskirt, ya the lesbianism game, Gaman something crammer something, killing it. I did the Bruba catcher and Sas, you become the Bia Mobo. The Mona for Winson. Mamma go for deep on it because over the Sas, you and Nippon Fish. I got this Revelation chapter 21. You heard this was so for. You will be the catcher of me. You was so for as I said for. Let Caneso, let Canas as a new hobby, that poor, soon will be. Oh, be one about the Kuta, I also know the Ebeka forever and ever. Oh, Mobo Papa. Pas on the Papa, that could be for sorry. Just a meaning. Tiasabano Canio, what Puyas because of problems? They are too empty. Bible say Judas, a free and no sword. According to years of which come, a free and no sword, and sorry won't go be. Naina, we couldn't say, it in a major years, actually, or Mobo Papa. That's all could you name a 10 wood and wood in a more. No, I can't say yes, you couldn't have mamma. You are someone who can you obedience, he came to a television and coupon, a media popularity, a dear open tea, or take Illuminati scamp, or Jimuro. Or popularity, frame our actor, who you've seen it, who pass a deeper in our two in country. The Papa will come on Saturday. What teach or take Illuminati Fortunabia, and Nuro or Jim will be a name to me popularity. Janabia password yenti, now a dignity. Or Namunoso, one way a bosom, as only a conforso. Also the group, a court, society, secret societies. Freemasons, the man for not what was in because of popularity. To what Puyashi, the women we are saying, in every the who wouldn't so be woody. Miss a woody what they are, can you who imagine me? So who are chatting woody what? The Abraham said above you. Said they has an American. But that's in tea. Whom men are do our car, then be a young answer, a coma, and you media, young sir, coma. Why your life careless? Fire, it be the popularity, will be the minister, or the parliament house, or person will give him for the munos. You pay more papa, not as a papa. Yeah, President Nelson Coy, what you know, call him what? So the Illuminati, or the money you work on your own. They say, I don't want to go. You didn't go out to be a park, and none of my men come home. But I'm pumping as a good patrol. Who put your short because of occult powers. All the secret society into intimate Zaka. We do whom what? Popularity. If you should be a marriage, our auntie, or put your issue. You will make fun man in you. And go pass them some penesa. On them party and when in teens in Yame, we won. What do you about one? To go Genesis 2, verse 22, and back was now me and I have one call. No me and I have one call. One can solve me and son and nine. The man will tell our me and son. More big problems. You are telling God that you are so wise than God. Abraham Yebi, Korean is saying, Shawane, one Ega, about Ismail. ya na hwede Kristo fo ne nkramofo de akọ baba Abraham mistake o ye hwede akọ baba o ware ketua Genesis 25 o ware ketua Bible say na Abraham ni ketua wo ye nyina no a kire no ja ho mo kwai na ho do mani kire puri asase bi so osum wo mo o mo miska o mo nko me yire ne sa Woso Abraham asini ne woso yiri 2 3 4 ogogo papa David be ye bia David ne oye nyame una David na woso no Hebrews chapter 12 was able to share gidem di kanfo ne wie for Yesu na mu empower ya tena kwai ana ode ne nsam na tu bia say Bema you are entitled to one wife so we dey chire ma odi omochi adwaman nsam ne ma 70 also won timi sum nyankopon e do Kristo so maye because of marriage Oba bi se de bebe bi de ayi nti waja asori o mobo awari enti Mame fanyanso o jase ye okunu bi bebe bi de ayi o nti oni bebe no ntam no akoma ahuri wo no ho adembone mebo a adembone fo so koje ko ntimi fo bi ho asemone nse umu enka zo peye bi akọ o jase ma ka de you have to be very careful a blouse of vampire say we say we am asema sie mama koma wa be mama koma mu nna ho betima gina na mampo wi ase aitano so wanya bi nyame pa obekojebo Yesu bompai eja se be ya masenu yi encha me honko nanso enya de me pewo Yesu numpo enya de me pewo wo pe onyankopon wo pe tuntimi kaso yesikani nti wo te ho ma wo pe de nyankopon pe we are living on this earth just because of the will of God. Why? Because one found farmer. Why? Because one okuta wonkom. Obit me jewa kumam, on a command pump it pa. And you pa now I'm going to be you are dead. Yankupo ni kuremi. What just America? Was so hina come and there were been 77 to 25 open tinki. Yankupo bit me tima to woso. A toss of cat Kim. Who question you say me? That's the boy you have to be very wise in life. Yentra se maya. Yentra se maya. What just here? 1 Corinthians chapter 6 verse 19 to 24. Was a mon nemo. We need to be on conquer so that mon nemo. Tinye waje said ye me pe me ho na meye. Enu nti a wo ye wa wo pa no. I just about some ja kwan so no wasi. Wadi hu mo bo ma unyansa ate. Nkasa wari nti wo pu Nyankopon. Or people have rejected Jesus because of marriage. Wari nti double question. Your baby dia yame, dia be be dia yame. Tina mani nyam so mai basa. Fanyansa wo. Unya wiase awade nyina wo kombo nsam tima aso bi ani so ebi so wiase sam wiase ntade se mesh ntu obi so ntimi so nyame anokeka makeups pane e wa yeto ye no for ye pumping adwaman nsam nti wiase ha dressing wiase ha nyom wiase ha ye benti bebre no dia po Yesu Judas ni odi sika na po no ibusa sa wo so di nti na wo so Yesu jetia wo ya be blame Judas but wo so to Get your own team so yes no kuramu no. Eche se no no wagina so dia pu Yesu. Na do ba pu Yesu no. Bible says yango na mawi asimpa nkeye. Matthew 26 verse 24. So nyame se wade mani pa nyansa wat. Ti asemi obi siso obi aye ne bone to apu Yesu. Niso na ma ho kire mu nti a ho kire bi nti. Nti ben so Yesu biem. Ebi so minya ya from wo ba to na madifo atrofo so. Timi so Yesu biem. Ebi so me yare na me hia bi nti ebi so football nti na munuro so ebi business na djuma bi a wo bi nti ontimi so Yesu no krem ontimi nsakra na brabo na ye konkon ebe na nya apre ya se protect him concert dance ako hisabi last of the flesh a jaman something obaba ubantimi ntambe mabako bebe bi timi ntambe obaba ko renam sa ya be kama nsu bae obi so apetasinti papa he de wa wensan apetasinti wa pu Yesu ewa ni pe mo bo apetasinti pu Yesu asemi obi so aduane e odi enti enkuko funu ni nyamfunu won na wie ukona buo na wuda ho no akofa ewe ya akosoma fu nyumatitum obekyerew Sa boy yan hwe ne moja wu Kristo ne wo wie yi. Ata se enamunti unti me mfanya me aso de nya adwuma. Common food. Udi abosom so nuane. Duane e dia ma abosom. Ya ya afa abosom afase ase. Na ye nuane bi akofa abosom so. Wa wunim sa duane ye kun ejan na hemfie. Ya ya dia afa abosom so. Ya chema mo na mo wi. E Kristo fo. Mo tina mo sebo nsam tumi asa mo ne mo. Winti obi so apo Yesu. Common wi sie no. Kusie kura hejebu bolu janu api. E modun pompe wi sie wo mo ni. Obi wi ni sigret nti. Ni Kristo so mo ya papa. Kopia temu ko. Papa be pe o. Kopia temu ko ni my very serious. Ya ni abre pa na no ka se person odi ba ho so. Oba bi sha ware ento so nti. Uti obi kunu ho. Ware sei ni mu. Aware ento ba no ti ni kunu ho papa o. Akobata ho maami second wife. Ukoye dan. Obi kunu ho. Ukofa nti mema bebre ba unya bi. I don't know sorry for you because of your life. Who are you for? Ha, ya ubusa, ya prata mbusa ohwate. Obi kuru wa kwajeno. Obi yire wa kwajeno. Hawadi woni pa mamo atronti tro. Tem ho nyina ma me na di tro. Tro pa tro fufu. Wa di tro mo obi awade agu. Wa di obi wo tro ma adwuma nipa ne kopaye yi na di. Owi ye ba wate. Unti atronti wonna mo fiem di tro ka po honse mo ne. Hawade ti wonti men sumu nyame. Obi be high down wo fi ho. Wo de ne honse mo ne nam krom su. Sen ko benya ko obi ama na dan high ko na abonten. Wa ko hwie nti on ka je so. Wo tronti on wa wie ye. Ni pa ya dia wo hwade bi kwatro. Obi so ya kanti. Opu Yesu. Etaya wo hye nti opu Yesu. Ebi makeups nkun keke ode sese ni popo ni ewurade se wo mpe. E de wayi wani ati ni o se o morwe. E wa no pa de aye. Asa wo de abomo jam na nam oba Kristo ni ba o. Wa po ewurade. Tiriye. Bronsam ebi Yesu kire Iso. Wo se je biane ne po panyin. Ona Iso so amfa nyansa nto ho. Wo so je de onam no pe. Ya we me ho beto me ana odi honam na chi oji aduane no ana Jacob eji ne panyin Iso di nsuo pekira kwa wanya o ya dey be very careful. Absalom 2 Samuel chapter 18 verse 1 echo because of politics Absalom akomukwa politics nti wa puya nkopon ema okumukwa accident dia bi nkra bi na so retimi mu na etim ne koma ni wi o bete papa so atua abato no anyi wo de krono na ebepe wo bebre papa politics nti obi apo Yesu ha Ewurade so do ni Gomora for po Ewurade e o ba wi ya Dimas po Nyankopon o de aye dwa bi e ko peska Judas susu de na da so aye kan papa so finance awake finance wo ko Mark chapter 10 verse 21 to 22 papa bi ba Yesu nche wo de ani je ne ba Yesu pese de diwachi Yesu se koto mu o se mi di mransem du nyina so Yesu se nya eno no wudi mransem du nko so enye nkwa wo ade bi ye ka ho ya asem ni yo koto wa onya de ma hiafo wudi mransem du sunsun hu ni pa mobo timo den wo hiafo mobo apara babo so de awere ho ne ko o de ani je ne ba yo because the japade ekuta mi nti o de asu Yesu okọ Ewurade hu ni pa mobo wate Yesu de bronsam kire ni bi Matthew 4 o peja wiase ahini e ma no e kira se Yesu so be ko to asore bia be bia ahini we nyina be ma political party no presidential seat ni be ma me mo japade yi me mo atodoma ko ati me mo diye me mo aye kese me mo agidin me mo adore me mo amanfo akasa se we ye big boss we are boro and Yesu si free me so ko Satan get behind me Satan Watu say Ewurade Onyankopon ena so koto so Ewurade Onyankopon wonu kwa na so no enso tonya manka ho wonu kwa na so no Moses so by Hebrews 11 verse 24. Ojidie nti Moses one person be friend Pharaoh baba. No yi so ni Yankopon man be huna man. If you so be akatua. Ekofo bi kuta nyansa wo. Omo de po honam. Obi nya jabati am. Rutu so ye bi. O siegina. Paul so ye bi. Philippians chapter 3 verse 7. O se ade anka ye memfa so ni Kristo nti. Iburu nya na hwere. Iburu se ball aso ade. Esefo no so by Peter. Matthew 4 verse 18 ko. Peter tene ne kodo ho wo mo am the net Yesu ka se mu ni machi o le Peter mu ja kodo ho no be di Yesu chi papa we nyina ye kan wo ho Abraham so ye bi o reject na busu ya kofa Yesu we nyina ye kan wo ho ye wa hini bi dache a ye kwa kobu Philippians 3 verse 20 wo be wu ha te fa na be pie dache dige but just 1 minute me fa nchire ni pa wie wo pu Yesu a Matthew 27 the baby no mesramo untie ni ye pa wo de wagina se na wusi no papa bi Luke chapter 12 wo pu Yesu sa ani Yankopon ba ne nche se wagya pade ya waganti be si dan na ibie doc hospital na ma yese na mi wi amaka tira ne kra se Luke chapter 12 verse 16 eko the dinam ma bon toyem ani Yankopon so ye kwasia pa wo be wu na be hu awie anabi amede o kra firi wunchem wo na tuyao tu ne ko dura sama do ha no ko bi store why we yo Matthew chapter 27 verse 3 was in the Judah wo yi no ma ya no ma me na wo yi Yesu ama no me tell na we yo Judah wo yi no ma ya no e wu se wa buru fo no wo so nu ne ho no wo de nyita bread asa no e sa ne bread aso fo mpanyimfo no e de mpanyimfo no se ma ya bone se ma yi moje dibem ama was in the no se was if I ho ben wa verse 12 verse 5 was in the to nyita bena no egu asori dan mu no ofiri oko sai ne mere no tu Yesu ri wi ye asama do wa se be kan ho be shaba Isaiah chapter 14 verse 9 to 11 no be kusa so wakase na sa ba asama do o so kata eno so wase umpa ya obeda so emti fi mu fanyansa wo empu Yesu be kan fu Yesu ma wate boni bia wa ye ne na Jesus aye kan do so wo fi akoma mu kachira no wo da ne firi ho a wo do boni be chaw I call you back to Jesus. Sasa kan obeto nkwa. Ewuade me da wase. Adumre kwa ya wona mu tumi no won so akasa kire. Ma ye nyansa owuade, ye nkwa mfiri ensa nko dutemu wa nwie, asa ne akasa ye ni stage life. Me da wase so utime. O Jesus Christ to do mundi. Amen.
Yo true time ebusia. Yankopon shiramo. Epa so you new to this channel epa ocho click subscribe button so. Na here sa don man yi mienu bi epie ewa na pempem a MP a click so na wo wi a na wa click like button so na wo ja comment ewo video na say wo yes anyoma we ya eboa ama channel no so ekonenimu se e pese Nyankopon asem no etumi ko wi asa fa na ni na
this world accept eternal life and quite yes you can't talk. It is all about 300 Wagara.
Certainly, Muhuna Mania.